everyone! Today I'm going to be sharing with you some great tips on how to style your hair when you've got leftover curls. So I haven't touched my hair since I curled it the night before, so it's a little bit wavy and it does have some curls in there. With this style right here, it's just a French braid, but because your hair has some texture, it's going to be nice and wavy and really pretty. It'll almost resemble like an Elsa braid. Gather the hair at the top of the head and divide it into 3 sections, and then cross the sections over each time. Each time you're crossing, you're adding a section of hair from the other side. At a very good angle right now, but once I get lower down, you'll be able to see exactly what I'm doing. I'm sorry for the crazy lighting in this video. The sun kept going up and down. I kept trying to work with it and fix it in my editing, but it just wasn't working out and I didn't want to lose all this footage. That I'm done the braid, I'm just taking some clear elastics and I'll secure it with that. Plan with this look wasn't to leave the braid super tight, so I'm just very gently pulling out those pieces. Using this a looser braid, it's going to help to make your hair look a little bit thicker as well. Don't have to worry about it looking too perfect. You can leave out as much pieces as you want, or if you want to tuck a little bit behind, you can just kind of play with it. That's exactly what I'm doing right here. I have this pretty sparkly clip that I picked up from Marshall's, so I'm gonna add that to the side. I think it'll just add a special touch to it. I love how pretty this looks. I love how sparkly the clip is. It's just so feminine, and this took me only a few minutes to do. This next one here is one of my favorite looks. So for this style, most of it is going to be going back, but I'm brushing out the front because I'm creating my section. I made my part, so now everything in front of the ear is going to stay out and the rest will kind of go back. So that's going into a ponytail and I'm brushing it slightly, but I'm not worried about it looking perfect. This guy right here has become one of my favorite headbands. I love that it's a leather material and the cute knot on it. I picked it up at Marshall's for like $10. But all these little accessories can add so much to your style. Pieces of my hair are going to stay in front of the headband. Now I'll turn around for you guys and show you what I'm going to do with this ponytail. Comfortable enough with how the ponytail feels, you're going to split it into 2 sections. Slowed the video down so you can see what I'm doing with this section. As I'm bringing it up, I'm kind of twisting it and I'll bring it over into a bun, but very gently taking some pieces and pulling them out, kind of like earlier in the braid. And once you're comfortable with where you want that hair piece to lay, you can take a bobby pin and secure it. With the second section, you'll do the same thing as you did with the first one. Once you've secured it with a bobby pin, you can kind of slowly pull things out and feel where things are sitting if you need to adjust. But look how cute. It's like an updo that you can wear casually, or if you're dressing up, this also works too. You have a complete updo in just a matter of a few minutes. apologize once again for the lighting. But this is my boar bristle brush. It helps to smooth out the hair. Gently brush out my hair using this. Done, I'm taking a section here and I'm going to be creating almost like a half crown braid. So I'm doing a French braid and I'm taking the sections from the front part of my hair. Make this braid as long or as short as you want. As far as I decided to go with the braid on this side, so I'm just taking a bobby pin and I'll secure it with that, and I'm using that cute clip again. Then I'll be taking the braid sections again and gently pulling those out. This is so simple, but I think it's super adorable and I can imagine wearing this with a cute sundress in the summer. If you guys want, you can also braid the other section as well. Depending on how you section your hair, your other braid may not look as thick, but you can make it a little bit thicker by doing that trick of pulling out your braid slightly. If you wanted to put your hair up, there's a look for that as well. So I'm just taking a few pieces, making this kind of loose and effortless looking. These looks are almost very bohemian. Putting it up in a ponytail just to show you guys how versatile these styles can be. Just adding a few braids or a few accessories and you can create so many different looks. Even take that ponytail if you want, create a messy bun, and that is an adorable look as well. And it's super easy for everyone to create these because these looks are not meant to be perfect. I apologize for my laundry basket in the background. I was planning on doing laundry today, but I decided to film this for you guys instead. I'm just going to smooth it out with this brush, and I'll just show you guys a very simple and classic look. If you feel like your hair is looking a little frizzy, don't be afraid to add a little bit of serum and put it throughout your hair. It'll just help to smooth it out a little bit. And here I am just this is very simple and it reminds me of that 40s glam look. And these are my fun, cute looks I was able to create for you guys today. If you'd like to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you guys for tuning in.